use the discount code LSC on the Fatal Grips website, fatalgrips.com, and get a 10% off on any product you buy. Doing so will help us both. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's me, LSC YouTuber, and I'm back. So I'm back with another photoshopping video. So I'll teach you how you can blur the background from any picture using Photoshop. It's super easy and you don't have to do anything much. So let's begin. So starting off, we'll just search for a picture we can blur the background from. Let's see. Okay guys, I've opened up Photoshop now, and here we'll just be opening the picture that we downloaded from the internet. Let's just click on open on the desktop. Here we go. Okay, so this is our picture, right? Now everything in the background is almost blurred, but I'll make it even better. So first of all, you have to select the blur tool. The blur tool, the icon for it is like a little drop. Just mouse over it and click it. Okay, so this is the blur tool. And now the strength has to be 100%. The size depends on you. I like it being like 463. And now you have to use the quick selection tool, which the icon for is a paintbrush with like a little circle around it. So use this tool and I'll just select this man. Actually, I'll select everything by Control A, and then I'll hold Alt and select this man. So it's basically going to select everything else except for this man, because we don't want to blur the man out, right? So I'll just select everything in the picture. I even select the plants in front of the man. Not all the plants, but just these two plants in front of the man. And I'll just get his hat. And I think we're all set, guys. Okay. So now, once we are all set with the parts we want to blur and we don't want to blur, just to be a bit more specific. And then again, open up the blur tool, the drop, and just start blurring the edges. Just hold your primary click, which is a left click, and keep on doing the mouse over until it's blurred enough. I think for me this is enough. So like then you can like add text and stuff. So if like I just type gardener or something over here, you just type garden. So now once that is done, you can make some like pretty cool effects. For example, I'll show you like just turn the color to black, and then you make a new layer from here, and just use the tool and select the text, and then you color it black. Okay, I know it's already black, but still again color it all black, and make sure that the text layer is on the top, and then you choose the text layer, open the text tool and select your text, and then now change the color to white, and now it gives like a like this cool effect, like white written on black, so you can do something like that and blur the background and do some stuff. So thanks for watching, guys.